Students, very good morning. This is our science class. We have already started lesson number 4, birds, and we have studied the characteristics about the claws, how the birds fly, and the types of beaks present in the birds. Now today we will start with feathers of bird. Every bird is having different type of feathers. Now how their feathers are useful, let us see. Wings of a bird are covered with feathers. Feathers are an important part of a bird's body. Birds have 3 types of feathers: flight, down, and body feathers. Feathers are soft and fluffy and keep the body warm. See, 3 types of feathers are present in a bird: flight feather, down feather, and body feather. Now, what are the uses of these feathers? Flight, down, and body. Body feather. They cover the exterior of a bird's body. These feathers often have bright color patterns. Body feathers give shape to the bird's body. Now, because of these feathers, body is having a shape. Body feather gives a shape to the bird's body, and most of all time this is the exterior part of bird's body, and they are having very beautiful color patterns also. Now flight feathers. These flight feathers are large in size. These are found in wings and tail. Flight feathers are used for flapping, providing balance and help in changing the direction during flight. Now, see, when the birds are flying, the main part, that is the flight feathers, are used for the flying of birds. Why? Because they do the flapping and they provide balance to the bird's body. Also, they are present in flight feathers are present in tail also, so that they can change the direction during the flying. Now down feathers. This type, down feathers. These are small, soft and fluffy feathers that are found to be present under body feathers. They help to keep the bird warm. A newborn bird has a lot of down feathers. Now down feathers are present below the body feathers. Down feathers keep the bird's body warm. Now nesting habits of bird. Nesting habits means their home. Nest means the bird's home. Now every bird is having the different nature of nest. Just like our parents have got a house to keep us safe, birds make nests to keep their babies safe. As we are having home, as we human beings are having home, animals having their own shelters. Similarly, birds are having nest to protect their young babies and to protect the eggs. Unlike human beings who give birth to babies, birds lay eggs. Many birds build their homes called nest. Birds build their homes and it is called as nest. Birds build nests to lay eggs. The nests are built at safer place. Nests are built at safer place. Usually when one parent sits on it to keep the egg warm and hatch it, the other parent protects it from enemies such as snakes. After a set number of days, the eggshell breaks open and a baby bird comes out. This process is known as hatching. The parents feed the baby birds until they are strong enough to fly. Now, how the nesting habit is explained. As we human beings are having a home, birds are also having a nest, so that they can live in their nest, they can protect their babies. See, whenever they are building the nest, they build the nest on the high top of the tree. Why? To protect it from harmful animals, that is snake gobbles up the eggs, so the birds protect them. Even if one parent is not present, other is protecting their home. Now the process of breaking the eggshell and the baby comes out is known as the hatching process. The parents feed the baby birds until they are strong enough to fly. Until they fly on their own, baby bird, parents protect their baby birds. Now, how birds build nest? Birds collect things like twigs, leaves, wool, cotton, straws, thread, pieces of cloth, paper, and so on. They use these things to build their nest in places like trees, buildings, terraces, and walls cavities. You all must have seen how the bird's nest is there. Which things are present in the nest? Small pieces of cloth, paper, wool, straws, leaves, twigs. Every bird is having the different quality of building their nest. Nest can be found on the trees, on the building terraces, and the wall cavities also. Take a look at the nest of some of the birds. The tailor bird. See, the tailor bird and its nest. How the nest of the tailor bird is there? It uses its beak as a needle to sieve leaves with materials like wool and thread. This is the reason why it is called tailor bird. It also uses cotton, wool, dry leaves to make its nest warm and cozy. Now tailor bird, the name itself indicates the tailor. That is, the tailor bird, it sieves our clothes. And the same quality is there for this bird. That's why its name is tailor bird. Why? Because it sieves this in this way. See, it uses cotton, wool, dry leaves to make it warm and cozy, and then it sieves from the outside. The weaver bird uses twigs and grass. Twigs means small branches of leaves, and grass to make a very beautiful and strong nest. The nest hangs from the tree and is made by weaving the grass in and out. The nest has a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest, which is used by the bird for entering in the nest. See, a weaver bird and its nest. This type of nest is present in weaver bird, and it looks very beautiful. It hangs from the tree, and it is very strong nest. Why? Because it is made up of twigs and grass, and it is weaved by this bird. See, words are given: exterior, on the outside of a body. Exterior means on the outside of a body. Hatch, to cause an egg to break in order to allow a young animal to come out. Cavity, a hole or an empty space between two surfaces. Now the swallow builds its nest using its own spit. The nest is made attached to rocks or wood and resembles the shape of a vase. Swallow bird. You know the swallow bird? See this. Swallow bird. What type of nest it is? It is made up of its own spit. The nest is made attached to rocks or wood, and it is the shape of a vase. You have seen the shape of a vase. where we keep the fresh flowers for the decoration. It is also the same shape. It is having swallow bird. A woodpecker builds its nest inside the trunk of a tree. It uses its beak to create a hole inside the tree. Now woodpecker see, it makes the nest with the help of its pointed beak. And it always build their nest inside the trunk of a tree. This trunk is the main part of the tree. Penguin. A penguin lives in ice. It collects pebbles and small stones to make its nest on the ground. And penguin builds a nest? No. His nest is on the ground only. He lives in the ice. So they just collect the pebbles and make a small stones and make their nest so that the eggs are being protected and hatched. So in this lesson we have studied that the birds are toothless, feathered animals. They have different feeding habits. They have beaks and claws to catch, hold and eat food. Birds have different kinds of beaks that suit to the types of food they eat. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Every bird have different types of feet and claws. No birds are in same. The bird's body is covered with 3 kinds of feathers: body feathers, flight feathers and down feathers. Birds have special body features that help them fly. Birds have a streamlined body, wings, hollow bones and strong muscles. Birds build nests to lay eggs. This is the main reason that they build a nest to lay eggs. Read this lesson again.